In this video, we'll review how to do factoring using the sum of cubes. The sum of cubes is when you have a binomial with two cube numbers separated by addition, hence the sum of two cubes. The rule for the sum of cubes looks a lot like the difference of cubes, except the position of the minus sign. In the sum of cubes, a cubed plus b cubed, the factored form would be the quantity a plus b times the quantity a squared minus ab plus b squared. So again, it's the position of the minus sign that separates this problem from the difference of cubes. The difference of cubes had a minus b, and then all the other terms in the trinomial were added. Here, the minus sign is with that minus ab, and the binomial has addition. All right, so let's take a look at a couple examples. We're going to start number one by rewriting it as cube numbers. I know that 64 can be rewritten as 4 cubed. So this is really x cubed plus 4 cubed. Substituting it into my rule, I'll see that it's the quantity x plus 4 times x squared minus 4x plus 4 squared. So it's going to look like this. Now to simplify it, I can simplify that 4 squared and say that's 16. So this becomes the quantity x plus 4 times the quantity x squared minus 4x plus 16. Go ahead and work the other two videos out. Pause it if you need it, and then resume it to check your answers. I'll give you a moment. Hopefully you had a chance to work these problems out. On number 2, I can rewrite it. This is really x cubed plus 5 cubed. Substituting into my formula, I'll see that I get the quantity x plus 5 times the quantity x squared minus 5x plus 5 squared. Simplifying this, this would be the quantity x plus 5 times the quantity x squared minus 5x plus 25. On problem 3, I'll rewrite it. This is really x cubed plus the quantity 2y cubed. Substituting it in, it's going to be the quantity x plus 2y times the quantity x squared minus 2xy plus the quantity 2y squared. Again, it's the quantity 2y squared because I have to square both the 2 and the y. Simplifying this out, we'll get the quantity x plus 2y times the quantity x squared minus 2xy and then plus 4y squared. All right, let's try 2 more examples. Again, these are a little bit tougher. Try these, pause the video if needed, and then resume it to check your answers. I'll give you a moment. All right, hopefully you had a chance to work these ones out. I encourage you to rewrite these as the cubes. 125x cubed is really the quantity 5x cubed, and the 216 is really the quantity 6 cubed. So rewriting this into the factored form, it'd be 5x plus 6 times the quantity 5x squared minus the 6 times 5x plus 6 squared. Simplifying this one, we would get the quantity 5x plus 6 times the quantity 25x squared minus 30x plus 36. Now number 5, I don't see cubes there. I see 2 and 2 aren't perfect cubes. However, if I factor out a 2 to begin with, now I have perfect cubes. I have x cubed and 1 cubed. Substituting this into the formula, we would get 2 times the quantity x plus 1 times the quantity x squared minus 1x plus 1 squared. And then again, simplifying, we get 2 times the quantity x plus 1 times the quantity x squared minus x plus 1. Remember, if you factor out a GCF, you have to rewrite it. Otherwise, you would never get back up to being a 2x cubed like the original problem started. All right, thank you for watching, and hopefully it helped you understand how to factor using the sum of cubes.